Hey guys, it's Tony. A lot of you guys kept freaking out and asking me about Doggy, so I'll make a quick TA on DogeCoin and stuff. As of right now, if I had to actually decide what's gonna happen with DogeCoin, I mean, just looking at the chart, I might be wrong on this, but it does look like we're retesting that 0.073 level on the downside, right? So I do think there's a chance, especially right now in the 4 hour, that we might go all the way back down to 0.58 or closer to like the 6 cent mark, which I think we retested today. I think there's a very likely chance that we might go down that way. If we do go down towards 0.058 or like around the 6 cent level, we might bounce off that level and go straight back to 8 cents. But as of right now, it does look like we might be. It looks like we might be creating a bottom, but there definitely seems to be a lot of momentum towards the downside. So I wouldn't be surprised if we keep falling back down towards the 6 cent level, to be honest. I'm not selling. I mean, like I said, I don't want to be trading DogeCoin on and off, so I'm just holding really. And I'm not really worried about nothing. I'm still up, I think like 30K, 32K. So, I'm not too worried about my position. I'm still holding. I'm not going to be trading this on and off. Like I don't want to worry about it, right? And I don't want to stress about looking at the chart or anything too much, right? So I'm just holding on to it. But as of right now, if momentum does stay on the downside, there's a big chance that we might go back down to 6 cents. But as of right now, yeah, I mean, let me see, on the day chart, let me look at the J chart, man. I haven't really looked at it in a while. I mean, day chart is still pretty positive, right? And the week chart, we're still looking pretty bullish. We actually just crossed on the bullish side, right? So I do think that overall we're still bullish. Short term, we might go back down to 6 cents, rebound from there and go back up. But yeah, I mean, as of right now, if I had to guess where we're actually going, I would say there's a bigger chance that we might hit 6 cents as opposed to rallying back to like 8-9 cents or so, because it does look like we're retesting the 0.73 level on the lower side, on the bottom side, right? On the bottom side of the price range. So if I had to make a guess right now, I would say that there's a bigger chance of going down to, I would say there's a bigger chance that we'll be going back down to 6 cents. But it really is all just on momentum and stuff, right? Yeah, I do think, yeah. I mean, if I had to take a guess, like I said, I do think there's a bigger chance that we'll go down to 6 cents again, retest and then go back upwards. Or maybe we just shoot up back to 8 cents and then possibly 10 cents, right? But as of right now, it does look like momentum is towards the downside. And if I had to take a guess, I would say that DogeCoin is headed back down to around the 6 cent level, just because the TA is basically showing me a lot of bearish movement right now. So I'll see you guys later.